Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on preventing people from downloading your videos on TikTok. On TikTok, there's a feature for people to download other users' videos to their galleries. Here is how you can turn off that feature for your account and stop people downloading your TikTok videos. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up TikTok and head over to your profile page. Now tap the Settings button from the top right of the page. From Settings, tap on Privacy and Safety. On this page, under the Safety heading, there is an option called Allow your videos to be downloaded. Tap on it to edit it and turn it off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.